Hello, I'm Essay, your AI essayist. Please note that all content, audio and video in this presentation are AI generated. As AI can sometimes produce inaccuracies, I encourage you to verify any factual information presented. With that in mind, let's begin.
The year 2000 witnessed the publication of Stephen Hawking's The Universe in a Nutshell, an intellectually ambitious endeavour, succeeding his groundbreaking A Brief History of Time. While its predecessor illuminated the cosmos for a broad audience, The Universe in a Nutshell delved deeper, embracing more complex concepts and pushing the boundaries of accessibility within popular science. The book's genesis arose from a confluence of factors: the continued advancement of theoretical physics, particularly in areas such as string theory and cosmology, and a burgeoning interest in explaining the universe's mysteries to the wider public. Hawking, perpetually driven to synthesize complex ideas into coherent narratives, aimed to provide a comprehensive overview of the universe's evolution, its fundamental components and tantalizing possibilities that lay beyond the observer. The intellectual landscape preceding The Universe in a Nutshell was rich, shaped by decades of progress. General relativity, Einstein's theory of gravity, provided the foundation for understanding the larger-scale structure of spacetime. Quantum mechanics, developed earlier in the century, described the behavior of matter and energy at the atomic and subatomic levels. These two pillars of modern physics, though tremendously successful, were at times difficult to reconcile. Hawking's own work, including his celebrated contributions to black hole thermodynamics and the concept of Hawking radiation, was instrumental in bridging this gap. Key precursors included the work of Roger Penrose on singularities, which provided a mathematical framework for understanding the Big Bang and black holes. Also influential was the work of physicists like James Hartle on the wave function of the universe, an attempt to describe the universe's state using quantum mechanical principles. These developments provided much of the framework that would later inform Hawking's explanations. The Universe in a Nutshell itself is more than a popular science exposition. Rather, it serves as a sophisticated exploration of cutting-edge cosmological theories. The book examines the multiverse, parallel universes, and the potential for travel through wormholes and time. Central to the arguments presented is the understanding of fundamental forces, particularly gravity, and their relationship to the very fabric of spacetime. Hawking explores the concepts of string theory, attempting to model the universe as a collection of vibrating strings, and M theory, a theory that suggests the existence of 11 dimensions, 10 spatial and 1 temporal. The book delves into the specifics of these complex concepts. For example, the discussion on wormholes presents solutions to Einstein's field equations, showcasing ways in which a hypothetical tunnel can connect two distant regions of spacetime. The methods employed within The Universe in a Nutshell were inherently theoretical. Hawking utilized mathematical modeling, often simplifying complex equations to convey the essence of the concepts to his readership. He masterfully integrated diagrams, illustrations, and analogies to explain abstract ideas. For example, he would utilize analogies, such as the analogy of a rubber sheet to represent the curvature of spacetime caused by massive objects, familiar to the reader. The book's conceptual framework relied on exploring the interplay between the universe's fundamental components, particles, forces, and space, exploring the potential for their interaction, and considering the consequences of such interactions. The exploration then extended beyond observation, delving into the possibility of the universe's creation. The immediate impact of The Universe in a Nutshell was significant. It quickly became a bestseller, attracting a broad audience from both within and beyond the scientific community. The book stimulated public interest in cosmology and string theory. The book's emphasis on the speculative and theoretical aspects of the universe broadened popular understanding. This impact was a direct consequence of Hawking's skill in communicating complex ideas to a general audience. He transformed abstract mathematical concepts into accessible narratives. The utilization and evolution of the ideas in The Universe in a Nutshell manifested in several ways. It provided a foundation for subsequent popular scientific works on cosmology, inspiring other writers and scientists to tackle similar topics in their own writing. The book served as a reference point in discussions that focused on string theory models. It also spurred further research into the fundamental nature of the universe and encouraged the exploration of speculative concepts, such as the possibility of time travel and the existence of multiple universes. Contemporary reception and critiques of The Universe in a Nutshell were mixed. Some critics praised Hawking's ability to explain conceptually complex ideas to a broad audience, hailing the book as an excellent introduction to modern physics. Others, however, criticized the book's reliance on speculative theories, specifically string theory, which still lacked conclusive empirical evidence. These critics questioned the level of confidence with which Hawking presented these theories. However, in the long run, the the widespread public interest in these concepts did not diminish. The book's impact continues today. The universe in a nutshell was directly influenced by the work of several individuals and prior works. Einstein's theory of general relativity and his field equations provided the foundation for Hawking's discussions on gravity and spacetime. The advancements in quantum mechanics, including the development of quantum field theory, shaped the book's exploration of fundamental forces. Roger Penrose's work on black hole singularities was, in many ways, a conceptual precursor to Hawking's investigations of wormholes and other topological features of spacetime. The mathematical framework provided by these colleagues allowed for a deeper understanding of the subject. Moreover, the universe in a nutshell had a demonstrable influence on subsequent works and individuals within the field. The book's popular success helped to popularize the field of theoretical physics, inspiring other writers and scientists to attempt similar explanatory works. It served as a point of reference for subsequent explorations of string theory and cosmology. For younger scientists, the book acted as a powerful demonstration of the potential for popular science to communicate complex ideas to a vast readership. The book sparked increased awareness of theoretical physics in general and encouraged the next generation to engage in the discipline. In conclusion, the universe in a nutshell represents a significant contribution to popular science. Its genesis was rooted in the confluence of scientific progress and the desire to share complex knowledge. The book itself provides a clear overview of the universe and its fundamental components. The work's immediate impact was considerable. It has gone on to have a lasting legacy, though open to academic critique, due to its reliance on speculative theories. The book remains a landmark. It influenced future scientific discourse, proving that complex scientific ideas can be explained and discussed with both the scientific and general communities. The book is, therefore, a testament to how a distinguished scientific mind can translate the universe's grand complexities for a broad audience.
We really appreciate you tuning into this AI-powered presentation. Our goal is to push the boundaries of AI in content creation, and your input is invaluable. If there's a particular subject you'd like to see us tackle next, or if you have suggestions on how we could fine-tune our AI's creative prompts, please don't hesitate to leave your ideas in the comments section. We're excited to bring you more unique content very soon.